Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Are you going to the farmer's market this morning? If so, what do you plan on picking up or looking for? Another great question. All right, last night, the Culinary Expedition was in China. As you know, I love Chinese food. I love to prepare it. Last night, I prepared pork lo mein. This was a traditional lo mein recipe. What I loved about it, it had multiple sauces and a marinade. You had the marinade for the pork. You had the sauce for the vegetables and the pork once it was cooked. And the noodles had a separate sauce. That's why the noodles weren't tossed in with the rest of it. It was yummy. Customize the veggies for yourself and your family. Have fun with it. Tonight, the Culinary Expedition continues. We're going to a small island nation called Palau. Yes, I make a rice dish by the same name. Ulkoy. Basically, how I look at it, it's a sweet potato and shrimp fried fritter. Let's go take a look. Simple hardware. Saute pan for frying. That's it. All right, software. Sweet potato, shrimp, cornstarch for crispiness, kosher salt, black pepper, baking powder, some water, some Creole seasoning, annatto for color, and of course, oil. This is just a representation of the frying oil. That's it. That's all the software for the Ulkoy. Do you have any big plans for this Saturday? I'm not sure what I'm going to do today. I don't know if I'm going to work, errands, chores, or I'm going to relax after I get all my casual chef items done. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.